Okay, now we're going to crack open the next box of NRL Strike in the case. So we'll just get this plastic seal off. Okay, unwrap the plastic. All boxes come packaged in a Select plastic wrap, so you know that they're authentically packaged. It's open. They'll also have a small ID number on the end with a small sticker. We just need to slit that down the side there, get that open, and we'll pop open this next box of Select Strike. Just get him open. Alright, there's our packets. Okay, now we've got the 36 packs out of the box. Here's the packets here. Nice looking packaging, fairly simple and straightforward. So we'll start cracking them open now, and we'll see how easy it is to get these packets open, and see how we go. Next packet. Look what we've got in this one. Okay, we've hit something. This is our first insert for the series. We've got there is a club player of the year, and it's Isaac Luke from the South Sydney Rabbitohs. These are the ones that you're hitting 1 in every 8 packets. Okay, the next packet. Okay, 9 commons. A couple of checklist cards in there. I'll show you one of the checklists. Next packet. What do we got? Okay, we've hit a Predictor. Nice. The Predictors look very nice. Nice looking card. Possibly one of the worst teams to hit, but Bulldogs not travelling too well this year. Next packet. Just the 9 common cards in that one. Next packet. Okay, we've hit another club player. These are the 1 in 8, Ben Cray. There's also a sample of the logo cards. You get 1 per team. Next packet. Just the 9 common cards. My son will be happy with me. He's a Sharks supporter, so I've got the Sharks logo there. Next packet. Okay, we've hit the numbered insert in the box, the award winners. We'll see how, this is my first look at these. I haven't had a look yet. We'll see what they look like. And they're limited edition numbered on the back. This one's numbered 165 of 400. So they look quite nice. I thought they may have a bit of a different effect on them, but they're a nice looking card. Next packet. Okay, we've hit something here. Let's have a look who we got. Okay, we've got the Roosters top prospect autograph card for Kane Lynette. They're a nice looking card. That's your 1 per box auto. St George logo on the front. Okay, we've also hit Team of the Year. Team of the Year is 2 of those per box. We've got Darius Boyd. Next packet. Okay, we've got another hit. This is a Team of the Year card, the other Team of the Year from the box, and that's Ben Hennett, part of the State of Origin winning side for Queensland. Next packet. All commons there. Next packet. All commons, Knights logo. Next packet. All commons there. Just a couple of packets to go now in this first box. Next packet. Okay, we've got another Club Player of the Year in this one, and it's Luke Lewis, member of the losing New South Wales State of Origin side. He's having a really good season, Luke Lewis, actually. Next packet. All commons with the Warriors logo. Next packet. All commons with the Panthers logo. Just 2 packets to go now. Second last packet. Got our next Club Player of the Year, the 4th one for the box, and that's Jared Hayne. It's quite a nice looking one. Okay, this is the review for the first box of 2011 NRL Strike that we've cracked open. Quite like the look of the commons and the logo cards. We'll have to see how we go once we put those all together for a full set. Now the first insert, which are 1 in 8, we've got 4 in this box. You may get 4 or 5 depending on the individual boxes. So we've picked up 4 of those. Darius Boyd, and we've got there Isaac Luke, Luke Lewis, and Jared Hayne. Not a bad looking card. Now we've also picked up the 1 in 18, we've got 2 of those, the box, and that's the Team of the Year. We've got a Team of the Year 2010 and a Team of the Year 2009. They look slightly different on them. One's got a gold and one's got a silver, so they've made them slightly different there for you. So we picked up the 2 in the box. Now we've also got the 1 per box Predictor, Bulldogs. So you get 1 of those per box, and I quite like the look of those. We've got the 1 per box award winner, which this one's limited edition, numbered 165 of 400. And then we've got our 1 per box top prospect signature, and that's Kane Lynette from the Roosters. So we've pretty much gone to the odds on our first box opening. Now the Game Day Network, or the Game Day concept of websites, will be giving away a box of this 2011 Select NRL Strike Series 2. Just go to our website www.gamedaytradingcards.com and take a look on there. You'll see the logo for Winner Box. Click on there, it'll give you all the competition details. All you need to do is join up to our website and you'll be given a ticket in the draw for one of these boxes. Box is going to be drawn on our big YouTube event on Grand Final Day for the Rugby League. So go to the website, join up now, and you're in the draw to win one of these boxes valued at $185.